Hello everyone, good morning. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's just introduce the Excellence in VMX Awards. This is my annual award show na nire-recognize ko yung mga cream of the crop, the best of VMX that has to offer. Okay, first up is the breakout nominees. Meaning breakout, they just burst out into the scene. And here are the nominees. First of all, the best breakout actress. First one is Candy Veloso. Caps lock ako. Teka, Candy Veloso. So she's going to star in she starred in Tahong, Init, F Bodies, Dirty Ice Cream, and then Pinya. Yan. The next one, our next nominee is Christy Imperial, who was also in Dirty Ice Cream. But she also starred in Unang Tikim. Extra siya sa La Querida, pero that's hindi naman siya na nag-breakout role dito. She is in Top 1 and Private Tutor. And also will be starring in Lamas. Unang Tikim, the X-rated version. Okay, we need to see this later. Ano swipe? Meg Imperial. Mercedes Cabral. That's interesting. Okay. Next on our list is Marian Saint. Marian Marian Saint is also co-starred Christy Imperial in Top 1. She is also in Tatsulok, Tatlo Magkasalo, and Package Deal. Our next nominee for Best Breakout Actress is DJ Sky Gonzaga, who we last see in the movies Kiskisan, Tatsulog, Baligtaran, and debuted at The Pintor at Paraluman. Next one, the last nominee is Athena Red, who was in Undergrads, Kabitan, Maharot, and Pintor at Paraluman. She was then known as Athena Moran. Those are your Best Breakout Actress nominees. For Best Breakout Actor, we have Juan Paulo Calma, who starred in Kiskisan, Kabitan, and Doncelia. We got John Mark Marsha, who I think, ang daming Marsha. Well, ang daming pero yeah, he is the one in Sisid Marino. So, punta tayo dito, John Mark Marsha, yun. Cheaters, Sisid Marino, Tahong, and Tatsulok, tatlo magkasalo. Next nominees are the supporting categories. First up, Best Supporting Actor, Emil Sandoval for his role in the movie Tahong. Next one, Jeffrey Hidalgo for his recent role in Salsa ni El. Next one, Carl Aquino for his role in dun sa Manukan. Ano ba yung Krista? Yeah, Krista yun. Next is Chad Albiar for his role in ayan natin mag-load. Chad Albiar for for his role in Back Rider. And then lastly is Mark Anthony Fernandez. Ayan tayo, Mark Anthony Fernandez for his role in Package Deal. Okay. So those are your best supporting actors. For Best Supporting Actress, Robelyn Ginto for her role in Unang Tikim. Jonica Lazo for her role in Salsa ni El. Yara Laksamana for her role in Himas. Sky Gonzaga for her role in Ang Pintor at Ang Paraluman. And Apple D for her role in Baligtaran. And those are your nominees for Best Supporting Actress. For Best Actors and Actresses, Best Actress, Angelica Ang for her movie Unang Tikim. Atasca for her movie Sisid Marino and Uhaw. Christine Bermas for her role in Salsa ni El. Sahara Bernales for her role in Mariang Palad. And Jessa Garcia for her role in Doncella. For Best Actor, Vince Relon for his role in Mariang Palad. Sean De Guzman for his role in Salsa ni El. Juan Paulo Calma for his role in Kiskisan. Chester Gresha for his role in Kapitbahay. And lastly, Felix Rocco for his role in Himas. Let's move on. Movies for Impact, showcasing the best of girls' love or boys' love. First up, Unang Tikim. Second is F-Buddies. Third is Kiskisan. Baligtaran is our next nominee for Movies for Impact. And lastly, Pilya. Best Narrative, Boss Mom. Doncella. Uhaw. Sisid Marino and Himas. Himas is also a nominee for Best Movie Direction, along with Sweet Release. Ano yan? Sweet Release, Doncella, Unang Tikim. And Mariang Palad. Best Mature Scenes, meaning the best seg scene. Our nominees are Kiskisan for their Kiskisan. Boss Mom and how they handled the Xerox machine. Pukpok in every scene possible. Top 1 for that montage of seg scene. And Pintor at Paraluman for Sky Gonzaga and the guy at the pool. For best music, score, and audio design, Uhaw. Unang Tikim. Maliko. Salsa ni El. And the cinematic Himas. And now your 6 nominees for Movie of the Year. Don Celia. Sisid Marino. Paluwagan, where that's their only nomination. Kiskisan. Himas. And Unang Tikim. As yun, wala naman tong voting system kasi ako rin magja-judge. Yeah, stay tuned for the list of winners on December 25. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good morning. Bang!